if it will let me record. What is up, y'all? It's your girl Lane. Today I'm gonna be filming a YouTube video because I just got my fucking wig in the fucking mail. Oh my god, it look bougie, or maybe it's just me. Like, it's giving very much packaged in the best way they could have possibly packaged it. I want to look at the wig today, and then the next day I'll see if I can like upload the video of me actually trying to put the wig on, y'all. Or I'll just update y'all and see if I like the wig, y'all. And I'm gonna put it in the description, like put in the description who I got it from, where I got it from, and shit like that. Okay, so when I'm first pulling it out the package, it already feels juicy. It don't feel stiff, y'all. Okay. It already feels juicy. It do not feel stiff. And oh my god, y'all don't understand because I've been waiting for this wig. It says on here, "Hello sunshine, you've been waiting for me." And they also gave me a wig cap. So yes, girl, thank y'all. I'm gonna definitely put y'all in the description so people can get to know y'all's product. And you might be wondering, why the fuck did this girl get a bright green wig? Because I know my dad's gonna ask that question. But that's not his business, okay? Okay. Nah, like, for real though, this is so cute. And I'm just calling my fingers through it, y'all. Stop playing. Okay. The problem is, this is the part, y'all. Y'all already know this is very limited, bro. It's very fucking limited, bro, because I can't really do much with it. Like, when I saw it on the website, it was given very much, you can do, like, you know, you can brush it back and shit like that and comb it back. But here's the lace. Look at her. Look at her. Now, I wish I could put it on, but I got box braids right now, y'all. But yes, girl, oh my god. Like, we're going to try her out together, hopefully, if my phone lets me, y'all, because I'm filming on my phone, but... Ooh. How they be doing it, y'all? Ooh, just stop playing with her. And it has some shedding already, but it's not heavy shedding, you know? It's not nothing that look like... Let's see. Hey, I ain't even stressing about that shit for real, though. I really don't even pluck it. I don't need to pluck it. Okay, if you look closely... If you look really closely, it's got like a little, they trying. Okay, they tried with the fucking, they tried, bitch. So we gonna see what it's giving, girl. We gonna see what it's giving. And let's see if I can like dig through to find. Yeah, it's enough to like do some things too. People are gonna definitely be judging me on campus, y'all. I wanted to get a bright green wig so bad. I want to see what this look like. This was like a dream, bitch. Okay. Anyway, this 3-minute video. I'm so sorry. Like, damn, I didn't think it was gonna be 3 minutes. I thought I was gonna be talking my shit for like 10 minutes long. But y'all, look at this wig. Look at this wig. Look at the wig. Look at her. Ooh. Ooh. Who is she? And it don't smell bad. It smell like a it don't smell like perfume. Ooh, I can already see the edge just coming. Girl, I'm finna, girl, we gonna do this together. But I'm gonna have to figure out, and it's not shiny, like oddly shiny. Let's turn the light on. Let's turn the light on in this hole. Because maybe I need to see. Oh, and then in person, it's the same color that I wanted it to be. Because, okay, here's the thing. It made it lighter. It made it brighter in here, but it made it brighter. But like, but I didn't want it to be too bright to the point where it was just like, kind of like lime, like slimy. Like, and this is slime, but this is the right slime I was looking for. It's nothing terrible. So, Like, stop playing. My dad is gonna kill me. He's gonna be like, what the what is on your head, girl? You look like a booger. He gonna tell me that. He gonna be like, you look like a damn booger. And I'm gonna be like, I look like a beautiful booger. Or the Grinch. And I'm gonna be like, he gonna say something about the Grinch, a booger. And I'm gonna just be like, stop playing with me. Stop. It don't have a bad smell though. I remember I was just talking about smell too, so it doesn't have a bad smell. It's straight. I don't think it will curl, y'all, but she's cute. The ends are not too bad, but do you see how it's like staticky? We're gonna have to get that together. Until then, y'all, look at the lace middle parts. It got some sections in it that we're gonna look at ourselves too, bitch. Hell yeah. But right now, it's just kind of like, what the fuck, you know? Like, what the fuck, like, she here and she look good. Ain't no stains in her. Ain't no bugs walking around in her. So, yeah, and she's combable through. Like, she already, like, combable through, like. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. Oh my god, let me see what I look like with this color. Like, oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna look. Y'all think I'm gonna look cute? Anyway, it don't even matter if I look ugly or not. I really just wanted to try a random ass color out. This is a bold attempt. This is a fucking bold ass attempt, but whatever. Cause I don't be wearing bright colors like that. Anyways, y'all, I'll put the link in the description. Ooh, y'all gonna be plugged in, okay? Period. I'm not gonna y'all. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later in the next video. This is a very quick video, and oh my god, I really don't want to be like just posting quick videos because I want to stay longer, but shit, that's kind of what it has to be for right now because my phone be tripping, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video though. Sorry I came in here looking busted, but it's because we finna transform, period, like Dane sister said, girl. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.